Are those pool noodles? Well, yes they are. And in a second, I'll show you what I'm doing with them. What you see on the floor here is the sawhorse or the rack from Harbor Freight, the little aluminum one that I've been using to put stuff on. And what's been happening is the foam that's on here is not very beefy, not very stout. And when I'm moving stuff around and all that kind, especially with the bonnet on there, the paint was starting to get a little messed up. So I bought 2 pool noodles. Along top, so just taking the top bar off, taking the rubber piece off that's on there, and just running the pool noodle over there. If you kind of twist it as you go, it's a little easier. All right, there you go. I was especially interested in getting the corners taken care of because, especially with the bonnet again on the inside there, the corners were touching bare metal to bare metal, and that was making me a little nervous, and I got some marks on the paint. So that took 5 minutes to do that. You got to take it all apart to do it, obviously, but it's gives you a lot more peace of mind if nothing else, and it looks cool too.